Hello, welcome everyone to question number 9. Form a palindrome from the topic strings in Geek for Geeks must do interview coding questions. Just have a quick look at the question. I will be discussing the meaning and the approach to it. But before that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment below where you're facing the problem. Now let's go to the question. Now in this question, he is saying that there is a string and we have to form a palindrome. Okay, if it is a palindrome, then we don't have to convert it. But if it is not a palindrome, then we have to convert into a palindrome and we have to tell how many minimum characters should be inserted, right? Now let's understand this, right? First, in the palindrome means the reverse should be there. Okay. Now clearly the opposite of ABCD is DCBA, right? So DCBA and ABCD are not equal, right? Because then that means they are not palindrome. Now we have to convert into a palindrome. But where should we insert the element? So that will be converted to palindrome. And how many of them should be inserted there? So if you take a guess, okay, you may have the output as 3, right? Now just see where you can insert 3 values exactly here. So it can be converted to a palindrome. And remember, you have to use only those characters which are already present inside. Okay. Now ABCD is given. Now just take a guess here where we can insert. Okay. I hope you have solved it on a paper. If you haven't, then also no problem. Let's see where we can insert. Okay. By manually. Now we can insert one character here at the front, that will be D. Then A, B, C. Now again, if we see carefully here, there is D present at the last. But if you reverse it, DCBA will come. Okay. But we have DABC. So AB is coming, right? So AB should also come from the reverse side. So we have to add B and A and D will be there. So we have added 2 characters here. We have added 1 character here. So this made a palindrome number. So how many characters we have inserted? 3 characters we have inserted. Okay. This is what we have to know. How many characters we have to insert. We have to return the number to the function. Okay. Now let us take another example. And this time we are going to use the longest common subsequence here. For that, we have to know the string example and the reverse of that. Okay. Now let's continue with the above example only and we will take another example after. Now ABCD is given, DCBA is a reverse of it. Now you have to check, is anything common in this? Okay, if you common in the sense in the order of ascending order, right? ABCD is there, but there is nothing common. Okay, only you can take only one single character at a time now. You can take A or you can take B or you can take C. Only one character will be a common here. So in the longest common subsequence, what we will be doing is we will take the maximum number which are common here. So how many of them are common in this example? Only one character is common in this. Okay. So we minus that common number with the length of the string. Length of string is 4 and 4 minus 1, the common element, will give us the answer 3. Okay. If still have problem, let's continue to the second example. In the second example, in longest comes subsequence. Let us take a value Geeks now. Geeks. Okay. Now the second example. Now what we have to do? We have to take the reverse of it. Skeeg. Now check from the left side. Okay. You have to check both of them from the left side. G not there. If you take G and this G, now the next character there is no character. So this will be only one character common. But maybe if you give a chance to other characters, then maybe to more than one character is common. Now if you ignore the G part, okay, that will be only one common character. If you ignore that, let's continue to the next 2 characters. EE is there. Now EE is also there. But after EE, here there is G. But in this case, after E, there is K and S. So we are not including G. Okay, that's what I mean in the first example. Here we have only taken one character because after B, okay, after B, A is here, but here C and D are present. A is not there. So if the next character is present, then we can include in the common subsequence. If the next character is not present in both of the strings, in the reverse string and the main input string, then we are not taking it. Okay, but here E also there, the next character E is also present, that is fine. So now we have 2 common subsequences here. To check for K, only one will be there. Okay, after K there is S here, so there is no S after K, so there is only one common subsequence. Similarly for F also, the S is the last in the first string. So now maximum how many common elements are there? two common elements are there. So to form a palindrome, what we have to do? Now we have to take the most common subsequence, which is 2 here. Only two numbers are common. Now we have to subtract it from the total length of the string. Okay, how much is the length of the string? Which is 5. 5 minus 2, which will be equal to 3. Here once again we will be getting the answer as 3. So we have to insert minimum 3 characters in this. Okay, I hope you have understood with this example. If still isn't clear, we will take one more example for you. Okay, now let's take the third example. A, B, A, A. Okay, this is the third example here. Now again, just remember what we have to do. We have to take the reverse of it. If we take the reverse of it, we get A, B, A now. Remember, first character check. Yes, A is present. Okay, now we can check the second character. B is present here. Okay, B is present here. Now A is present here. Yes, A is also present here after the B character. So you can say there is a maximum of 3 common subsequence here. Now see, A is there. A after B. Here also A after B is present. B after A also present. A here also present. Okay. Now the maximum is 3 in that way. If we count from B here, B will be there, then A will be there, then again third A is present, but here there is no third A. After BA there is no third A. So that will be 2 common subsequence only. So we have to take the maximum, and maximum is 3 in this case. Okay, what is the string? Length of the string is 4. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. We have to insert one element now. Where we have to insert, you can easily see the where we can insert one element and make it a palindrome. A B A A. Now where can you insert? Here at the start, you can insert here A. Now if you read from the left or from the right, it will be same, right? So that's how you can make it a palindrome, the simple inclusion of one element. This is how we use longest common subsequence. We have to use longest common subsequence and take the maximum common length and minus that from the given input string length. Then you will get the value which will be equal to the number of insertion we have to do to make it a palindrome. Okay, I hope you have understood what I have told you. Okay, we haven't understood, I will let's go to the coding part. After seeing the code, it will be very much clear to you. Okay, now we're inside the Geek for Geeks website and we have already included the code here. Okay, basically I have explained everything related to this code, which are the fundamentals. Okay, now we know what is LCS, longest common sequence. What it is doing, it is getting us the maximum common number. Okay, this is the return statements getting us the maximum common number, and we are subtracting that from the total length of the string. Okay, that's what we have discussed, and that is exactly happening. Now how it is happening inside, you have to practice yourself or no, and this will be a small assignment for you. Okay, as for the basics, this is what happening. We have taken the string, we converted into a list. Now we have reversed and joined again to make it a string. Okay, this will be a reverse of the given string. Okay, we're taking reverse of that, and this is the given string. N and N are the length of the given input. Okay, and we are forwarding it to the longest common subsequence function here, that is LCS. Okay, now here what is happening is, here L is a variable which will be maintaining a table of maximum common subsequence. I will be sharing the link how the table is working. You can check it out in the Geek for Geeks website. Okay, basically this L variable is just storing the maximum common subsequence. Okay, that is what it is helping us for, and these two for loops are doing the work for us to find the maximum length. Okay, and that is being returned in the function, finally being subtracted here and getting us a minimum number of insertion. I hope you have understood. If you have not understood the part, let's mention in the comment where you're facing the problem, and we'll be explaining that part again if you require. Okay, I hope everything is clear. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in another question.